Hey, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 4 different ways to get Windows 11 22H2. I'm actually using a Windows 11 22H2 on my main PC, even though as of me making this video, this version is only available to Windows Insiders. There are 3 different categories in Windows Insider program. One is dev channel, which is the most unstable one. Second, beta channel, which is better than the dev channel. And third one is the release preview channel, which is the most stable one. And actually this is the one which will be final version of Windows 11 22H2. So I used release preview channel to get the Windows 11 22H2 update earlier. We will talk about this as we go through the video. Now, if you want to get the Windows 11 22H2 update early or maybe after the release, then just follow me. First, best and easy way to get Windows 11 22H2 update is just go to Windows Updates and then check for update. Once the update is available, you will see a option to download Windows 11 22H2 here. If you want to get Windows 11 22H2 update earlier, then within the Windows Update settings, go to Windows Insider program. And here you need to sign in with Microsoft account and then choose your insider settings to release preview and scroll down a little bit and click on this option, stop getting preview bills. Here you need to turn on this option. So basically when the final version is available, then it will automatically turn off the Windows Insider program. Now let me show you guys how to get the Windows 11 22H2 ISO file. You can also use ISO files to update your Windows 11. I will put a link in the description for this website. This is the official Microsoft website where you can download the Windows 11 ISO files for free. Once the Windows 11 22H2 update is available, you will see a notification in this website saying that Windows 11 22H2 update is available. Now you can use one of these options to download the Windows 11 ISO file. The easy one is this third option, and download Windows 11 disk image. Click on this select option, and after that click on Windows 11, and after that click on download, and you have to choose your language and confirm, and then you will see a download link for Windows 11 22H2 ISO file. You just need to click on this download link and Windows 11 ISO file will get downloaded. Now, if you want to get the Windows 11 22H2 ISO file earlier, then you can go to this website. This is also a official Microsoft website where you can download the Windows Insider preview builds. So as I said, as of me making this video, this update is only available to Windows Insiders. So visit this site, sign in with your Microsoft account, and scroll down until you find this option, Select Edition. Click on this Select Edition option, and after that you need to select this option which says Windows 11 Insider Preview Release Preview Channel. Make sure that you select this option which says Release Preview Channel. Select that and click on Confirm, and then you need to choose the language and then click on Confirm. Now you'll get a download link for Windows 11 22H2 early build or release preview build. Just click on this download link and the Windows 11 22H2 ISO file will get downloaded. That's it. These are the ways to get Windows 11 22H2 ISO files, updates, and everything. If you still have any questions or suggestions, please do the comment. And that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.